what happened to you, my friend? I will take this in a heartbeat. So, this is a plane flying simulator. And we're going to attempt to take off in a plane. Ready to launch off? I don't know what happened to that guy, but I can tell you, it's not what's gonna happen to me. I'm too good. Kahami, you need to get in. Uh-oh. Something bad's about to happen. Whee! We're gonna take off. That didn't work. I wanted it to. Come on. Great, this always happens. I'm taking it. I'm taking it hostage. Noob. 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 Nothing but a noob. Only I can take this off. We're getting it to the air. Don't care. He hijacked the plane. No, we needed to go. We're stuck. Oh no. Oh, that's a lot of damage. I'd be surprised if it's stuck like that forever. We fixed it. Get back in. I'm gonna rob this plane. I'm gonna rob it. We're doing. No! Don't hit the tree! We need to take off. Take off! Wee woo, wee woo, take off! Take off! Oh my god, we're doing it! Battle up. Landing gear, push back. Reverse thrust. Camera mode C. We're doing it, boys. We are doing it. We need to hit 1,000 altitude. But boys, look at us. We are on a plane. Probably shouldn't do that. Over. Oh, that's pretty much it. We're gonna fly. We're doing it. This is HQ to Poopy90875 and his plane. We're gonna need you to take a quick detour to Cyprus. Over. On it, sir. You're the captain. We have to drop at Cyprus. By drop, I mean crash the plane into Cyprus. Okay, so if you look down on the map below. Oh god. Hurry it up already. So if you look down on the minimap below. So if you look down on that minimap right there, you can see all the goody goods. But we are flying to Cyprus. We're gonna make it. Hopefully we do. If we don't, I want to go on the fastest plane ever. I just robbed some dude's plane. Which one? Alien time. Concorde or F2 Walrus. It's faster than those. Oh. What is it? Landing gears G. Alright. Come to a screeching halt, boy. Wait, wrong way. We have to go this way. We're gonna make a quick detour, just dropping. Double up! Guys, I don't know. I don't even know where we are. Oh my god, we are up! Oh, we died. We crashed the plane and died. Oh, I'm about to yoink this guy's plane. It's a bit too late. Ha ha. It's a plane now. Oh, but does it... Take off! Take off! We're just still driving. We're off! Another plane ride. Oh no, we're going down! I'm gonna go robbed again. Just spawn. Stop playing. Oh, I can't believe we can just run out of people's planes and hop in them. Okay. Ooh, a new one. Cargo. Alright, we're gonna fly. Let's fly. This one. This one's cool. Oh my. It's Batman! Whoa. This is actually lit. This is Pilot Gage speaking. We are taking off and we are going to lift off. Brace for impact. No, you just never mind. Yeah, there's no way I'm ever gonna be able to fly a plane. Take off! Take off! Why didn't you take off? I tried to take off like 17 different times, but you didn't take off. Oh, well, there goes our plane. Where do you think you're going? Wow, you really are gonna put me on over here? That fat plane. Very fat and very wide. Alrighty. I figured out a new technique for going further. Oh wait, I can try and steal this. Oh, never mind. How do I take off? Do I have to like... Ooh. One more thing. What is this? Ground crew station. Oh no. Wait. The vehicle can steal their plane. And my evil plans can finally be a success. Just give me the fastest one. Follow me, truck. We have to go. We have to go. You gonna drive? Why? Oh, wrong side. No, they're gonna take off. I'm just waiting. Based on this, find this selected plane. Boring. Sector A, Sector 1. We are preparing for liftoff. This is Pilot Gage. We are taking the AC-135 above. Modern military. No, let's try old military. I'm responding to you because you look epic. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so bad at taking off. Come in there. Controls. Okay. Whatever any of that means. All I know is we need so much speed that we can get this thing in the air. Come on. We did it! We took a successful liftoff! We're in the air! We actually did it, boys! Look at this, we're flying now! We're flying! We can do it! We just did it! It's steady cruising from here, boys! We did it! We actually did it! Warp speed is so fast. We don't have to be warp speed. Just curious if we can do it. We took a successful liftoff. We did it. This is no time to be separated. Please report to Cyprus immediately. Over. Well, giggity gamers, we're going to Cyprus. Over. Well, the co-pilot and the HQ headmaster have both spoken. We're going straight to Cyprus. We're gaining altitude, by the way. Cyprus, within 700 meters of Cyprus, we are going to, 700 miles, we're going to be landing in soon. Yes. 1,000 meters, T-key. Oh, we're just cruising. Let's go. So now I can look at controls and stuff. So we can, so what we need is, landing gear, G key. So the G is, so we're gonna land and we have to come down, activate our landing gear, and we have to run on the railroad and turn our engine off. Okay, we are heading up on, where are you? I thought you said you were within 700 meters. Over. I said I was within 700 miles, you stupid. Over. Well, the co-pilot and the headmaster are in an argument. Here we go. Coming in at 225, we have Poopy 90875, placing last place out of 10. So he's going to be placing 10th place, not getting anything, no prizes. He's almost out, he's running out of fuel sooner or later. He's at 1,250 meters cruising with throttle level 100. And we're gonna see what we can do. We need more speed. Get it in there. We don't want to cruise. T, get it out of cruise. No cruise. No cruise. We're going downhill, boys, but that's what we want. We're gonna make a steady landing. Avengers. We'll see you. Get ready to land. This is gonna be the hardest one ever. G key. Activate our landing gears. We're going in. We're going in for land. G. Activating landing gears. Activating landing gears. Oh! You don't want to go too fast. No throttle is required. Just land your bloody plane. Coming for a landing. We did it! Our first successful land. We're not going to take flight, we're just driving around. Said we're not going to take flight. Ah! Actually, I didn't know the fuel. Yes, this is exactly, oh no. Wait, no, please. No! 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 No, 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 no!